Hello students, let us continue with our chapter agriculture, and today we are to start from types of agriculture. Types of agriculture we are to do first is subsistence farming. So this is of two types. One is primitive and the other is intensive. In primitive, we again have two types. One is shifting agriculture. In shifting agriculture, a piece of land is cleared of its vegetation or all the vegetation, then it is burnt, and with the onset of monsoon, the piece of land is sown, and in this way this shifting agriculture is done. And in different area, this shifting agriculture is known by different name, say roca, milpa, slash and burn, juming, etc. Then the other type is nomadic herding. In this, people or farmers, we can say, from specially two states, Jammu and Kashmir, which is now UT, and Rajasthan, which are arid and semi-arid area. The people who raise say cow, goat and sheep, they take their herd to those places, those higher reaches, where they find food, fodder and water for their cattle, and they move from one place to the other in search of water and fodder for their cattle. So that is known as nomadic herding. And the next one is intensive. So intensive subsistence farming is done, say, on a small piece of land. The piece of land is all the time shrinking because of the right of inheritance, and in it the land holding is quite small one, and the farmers use all modern means of irrigation, all modern means of say farming, plowing, HYV seeds are used, tractors are used, so that they may get maximum production or output from that small piece of land. So because of the high population, there is quite pressure on this land, and in order to get more and more production or output, they adopt all the modern means of farming. Then the next one is commercial farming. In commercial farming, first of all is grain farming. In grain farming, say we rice and wheat are sown and on large area with the most, you can say, modern means of irrigation, farming, say pesticides, weedicide, fertilizers, everything is used in order to get more and more. And commercial farming is simply, just as commercial word show, it is meant for selling, and it involves lot of money as well and lot of farmers, lot of workers, we can say. So one is grain farming, then the other we can say is plantation. In plantation, one type of crop, say tea, coffee, sugarcane, are planted on a large scale, and it involves again all the means of modern means of irrigation, modern means of farming, in fact, and it involves a lot of laborers and workers, a lot of money. So that is done as you can say means of lot of wealth, and this is plantation. The next is dairy farming. Dairy farming, just as the name suggests, it is done for the sake of milk product, milk and milk product. Dairy farming is done. The next is mixed farming. In mixed farming, from on the same piece of land, on the same land, they grow food, fodder, and also raise cattle. That is known as mixed farming. Then there is livestock rancho or livestock ranching. Livestock is, say, the cattle which are living, so that is livestock ranching. Ranching is again farming. This is done usually in Europe. They raise, say, pigs, cows, usually these horses, donkeys, camels, etc. also, and this is done for the sake of meats only, and this is done mostly in a European country. Then there is commercial gardening. In commercial gardening, the farmer grow flowers to sell. If you remember, last April, when because of corona, a farmer in Jodhpur was shown as destroying his flowers, his plots of flowers. It is said that only in Jodhpur, flowers worth more than 5 crores were destroyed because there was no one to buy them. Because of corona, no festivity was there. In Karnataka, one farmer said that he used to hire 250 laborers or workers to do that farming or do that gardening, but now because of this they have to done with it. And the next one is fruit farming. In this, the farmers sow fruit of one type or two type and they sell in the market. Say near Firozpur, we have in area of Bohor, Fazilka, Kinnu market, and they are in abundance during the season, say in winter season, and grapes are also. So in this way, number of types of commercial farmings are known. Say poultry farming, you must have heard. So there are number of farming which can be called as commercial farming. A commercial farming, you must remember, is to sell the whatever they have. Students, thank you for watching the video.